I just realized I don't have any rings on, but my nails not polished, so it's fine. But I'm going to give y'all a quick outfit of the day. What I'm wearing to my friend's jazz house for seafood and wine. So we can start with my headband. Headband is from, and I'm leaving it right in there. So these earrings probably ain't going to work, y'all. Y'all saw what just happened. Dang. Okay, I'm going to switch my earrings because I can't deal with that all day. All right, let's switch the earrings. One momento. Okay, y'all, I don't know where the post went to the other earrings, but I'll just put on my teardrops. These are from Ashley Stewart. Headband, once again, Forever 21. Yeah, Forever 21. Top is from Forever 21. It's, what does it say? It says Property of California. Athletic Department, 1984. This is the one that I said, I wish it said 1983. This was featured in the haul and try-on. It's shorts that go to this, but they didn't have the shorts in this color, but I have the shorts in another color. This fanny pack my mom got me from Ross, and they have unicorns on it. Jeans is from Old Navy. Distressed jeans, these are the Rockstar jeans. And get into the boots, y'all, that was just featured in the haul and try-on from Walmart. These are my Combat Portland boots. So this is the look. It's actually 62 degrees today in Philadelphia. Make sure mine is good. So yeah, we're just having seafood and wine. So we will be filming a taste test, so stay tuned for that video. I have some new wine. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This is the look. Once again. Okay, y'all, since this video is so short, I'm going to add the how I store my snacks in this video. Because that video is going to be short too. Because it's nice and simple. Oh, and get into the bun. I went through hell with this bun because my hair is like... So I had to really tame this bun because it's not straight. It was easier when I straightened my hair the last time when I had a bun. But it's not straight, so it was work. But stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all how I store my snacks. Okay, y'all. This is the first drawer. And I just got this little... Well, I had this for years. It's from Walmart. So, I have my Ritz cheese and crackers and the Slim Jim and cheese. These are my favorite. These are my go-to to take to work. These save me at the desk when I'm sitting here. Peanut butter, because y'all know I just snack at work. And all my breakfast crisp bars. I have strawberry, blueberry, and chocolate. Okay, next drawer. And it's just like the 3-tier. Oh, I don't have much of this one. Dang. Oh, these are the Lindor. Let me get one of these now. So good. So I have to re-up with the snacks in here, but it was filled up with the fruit snacks and candy. I had like chocolate in here, but as y'all can see, I need to re-up and I need to wipe this. Oh no. It looked like it's dusty, but it's not. It's not dust. I thought it was dust. In here, I have the red velvet, the strawberry, chocolate covered strawberry, fudge stripe cookies that I went crazy about. These are Thin Mints, my last little row that I'm holding on to. These are the lemon cookie Girl Scout cookies. That's all I have left. I try to put everything in Ziploc bags. Fig Newtons, more Ziploc bags. I just need a little fixing up, but these are butter cookies from Shortbread Girl Scouts. And I forgot I had those, actually. And then I have fiber bars. Y'all know I'm severely anemic, so I have to have my fiber. Oops. Because y'all know iron pills have you constipated. Sugar-free shortbread cookies from Walmart. Didn't open those yet. More Ziploc bags. I always have extra. Because I try to put everything in Ziploc bags once I open it. Next is these. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I never had dark chocolate covered pretzels. I love chocolate covered pretzels. Never had dark chocolate. Got these from Walgreens. Party mix. I just put these in the Ziploc bag. This is the popcorn that Neat got me, as well as the strawberry chocolate covered strawberry cookies. I can't get it out. This is the Ritz chips, crackers, chips, thins. I put them all in Ziploc bags. And I always have my clips too, to clip stuff that I open. And sunflower seeds, I really don't eat the original, but this is my favorite ranch. So chips and seeds, all this salty, savory stuff going here. As y'all can see, I got the sweets and I have the crackers together. So, and did that drawer. This is the last one. I have these. Love my fruit slices, Walgreens. Got these from Walgreens, Sour Bites. I've been having a taste for sour stuff lately. I don't know what it is, and I don't really do sour, but. And this is my Gummy Worms. These are all my sugar-free to-go packets to add to my water for flavor. And one is an energy one. I got a whole bag of them. These are all from Walmart. And then there's some Jolly Rancher sugar-free ones in there also from the dollar store. And I have Halls, lemon Halls. I keep Halls, sugar-free, Hershey's. What else I got? T-Mobile, reusable water bottle, pineapple reusable. These are good for vacation. I believe Neek brought me this. Okay, y'all, so I have these two sugar-free Halls. And that's it. So I'm going to open each drawer so y'all can see how it looks. Oh, the re-up on the candy, but this is how it looks. And they sell them at Walmart. They still have them. I even had the little ones for my nail polishes. If y'all want a nail polish, I think I did that before though, a collection, my nail polish collection. And then stay tuned for the headband collection. I was going to say collection. Stay tuned for the headband collection. How I store my headbands. My headbands used to be in here, and it filled it up. But I said, no, I can utilize this better. I cleaned it out really good and put my snacks in here instead. Because I used to have my headbands in here, extra body lotions and sprays. But I fixed it up better. But you can get these from Walmart, Amazon, and they're great. And I think they're less than $20, or maybe $20, depending on how big you get. This one probably was about $20 or $25, and I had it for years, and it's still holding up. This one, it just have a little crack at the bottom, but it's still holding up. All right, let me do the outro, y'all. I'm eating a Lindor strawberries and cream. Delicious. But anywho, this is my outfit of the day. How I store my snacks. So anywho, again, if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I store my snacks and what I'm wearing to my friend's house for seafood and wine. And Jazz is the one that we did. She premiered in my video when we did. What we did? We did. What was it? Was it Who's Most Likely To? Two Truths and a Lie? I forgot. We were in Baltimore. We was in a hotel. And it was her birthday. And y'all say happy birthday to Jazz. Well, that's the friend I'm talking about. I can't remember what video we did. Y'all tell me in comments what video we did. Because I can't remember it. It's like, what video was it? I know it was something funny. It was Never Have I Ever. It was Never Have I Ever. We did Never Have I Ever. But anywho, leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, y'all. Bye, my fashion dolls. And guys, bye, y'all. Bye. Hey, y'all. Look what I found at the State Store. Look. Cupcake. I don't even know what the damn thing is called. Cupcake Vineyards. Red Velvet. I guess it's inspired by Valentine's Day. And it's probably limited edition. But yeah, this was definitely at the liquor store. And I'm going to do a quick taste test. And it's been so long since I've done a taste test on wine. Y'all remember when I spent $350 on wine? Yes. So, I'm about to try it. Let's smell it. Y'all know how it goes. Tilted a little bit. Nice and red. We love a good sweet red wine. Please be sweet. Please be sweet. I'm not going to fill it up just yet. But this how it look, y'all. And it was on sale for $12. Yeah. Let me know if y'all tried this or saw it somewhere. Mmm. Smells good. Swish, swish. It's not that sweet. I'm disappointed. It's a hint of sweet, but it's more bitter. But I can dig it. What a ripoff. They sure did fool me because it looked like it would be sweet. Red velvet is supposed to be sweet. So it says the notes is it says rich cherry mocha. And it's supposed to have blackberry and mocha, cherry, hints of vanilla. Let me try it again. This ain't it. Nah. It's like a little it's like a faint sweetness. And they said it tastes good with cheeseburgers and bacon and red meat. Yeah, I can see that. All right, y'all.